Ladies,
Yes.
class has begun. We have a surprise for Miss Karyn over here.
Surprise.
It's a surprise. So this Karyn is called a village peak. Not the village people. Not the village people.
YMCA. It's fun to say it that YMCA. I always say the YMCA.
I have never seen
So village peaks have 24 Doorables in them. Yes. Yes. So I will let both of you know we have to be quick as we open these because we've only got 10 minutes. But let's get this open. I think that this is series 9 and 10, but I'm not 100% positive. Yes.
Ooh,
All right, ladies.
Does it say
Let's get going. All right, Mama, what did you want me to show everybody?
Where the squeeze box? It's like a squeeze box, like an accordion. An accordion. Thank you.
Yep.
I was going to say harmonica, wrong thing.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, ladies. You gonna get them all out?
Let's get them out. Let's get them out.
This is hard to hold this thing.
Yeah, you gotta have big hands.
But let's get ready to do 1, 2, 3, eat.
Woo! All right, ladies, you can just have a free-for-all with these, so go ahead and do what you want. All right, ladies, who you got?
Guessing Miriam from Turning Red.
I'm saying Percy from Pocahontas.
Okay.
Correct? No, this is. No, that is.
That is Mulan.
Mulan.
Percy.
And there's Percy. All right, Percy is a, let's see,
I don't
where
think
is
we have
he?
Percy.
We don't have Percy, and I don't know if we have that Mulan either. I do not have her circled, so she is a common. She is from series 9, and Percy is from series 8.
He's a blue.
And he is a ultra rare. Ooh. All right, on to the next two. All right, who is it?
To quote Forky, I don't know.
Okay, neither of them know. Who is it? Let's see who they got.
Oh goodness. Oh, it's a fair.
Oh, you got, that's Rosetta.
Whoa. Okay,
You got
where's
Rosetta,
from?
and that is one of the racers from,
What's this from? Little Pink Cat?
from Wreck-It Ralph. That is Taffeta Mutton Fudge, and she is an ultra rare. Rosetta is a common, but she's sparkly, and we love glitter.
And she has
Yes.
really cute wings.
All right, on to the next two. Karyn, who you got? You got the red panda? Okay.
I'm gonna guess Mama Imelda from Coco.
Are you
No,
right?
It's not. No.
No.
It is the.
Oh, that's from the Good Dinosaur. That is Arlo.
Oh, he's
And
so
we have
cute.
another Officer Clawhauser.
Yes, I couldn't remember his last
All
name.
right.
I love that one.
Arlo is very cute.
Too cute. Do we have that one?
No, we do not.
Oh, that one's super
All
cute.
right, ladies, start guessing your next one. Okay, Officer Clawhauser is a rare and Arlo is a common. Karyn, who do you think it is?
The redheaded beauty, Merida.
Merida. Okay, Mom.
No clue. Forky, what do you think?
Cheese.
I don't know.
Oh, okay, so that's a Luca. Luca Sea Monster. He's from series. Pegasus!
Pegasus.
Oh my
Really hard.
goodness!
Yes.
So cute.
This is hard because there's so many choices.
So
Yes.
many choices.
So both Luca Sea Monster and Pegasus are both commons. On to the next one, ladies.
Oh, you did.
Mom, who do you think you have?
I think Cusco. Karyn
I'm totally clueless.
Okay. All right.
I was right. Here's
Okay,
Cusco.
here's a Cusco. He is.
Look, he has a big dome on
Yes,
his neck.
and that Cusco is a common. That is Pizza Cat, aka Earth Mr. Mittens, and he is a common as well.
He's better known as Pizza Cat.
Yeah, we just call him Pizza Cat. All right, on to the next one. All right, ladies, who do you think you have?
A sea monster.
Okay, so Alberto then, because we already have Luca.
I am guessing Geppetto from Pinocchio. I am right.
Oh, and Geppetto is a rare, and he is new to us. Oh, and that's Ralph from Wreck-It Ralph.
I don't know my stars. Look at him.
And he is a common.
I don't think
Oh,
We do
Geppetto.
not. Yep.
Geppetto's super
Oh,
cute.
he's too cute.
Very cute. All right, ladies, on to your next two. All right, ladies, who do you think you have?
Who is series 9?
I
Okay.
am guessing Oliver from Oliver and Company. That would be series 10. Oh, I am off.
You are very off.
Mike Wazowski.
And who do you have?
No, I originally was going to say him.
Oh my gosh!
Who is that?
So that is Caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland.
Wonderland.
He is a rare, and my Mike Wazowski is a common. Mike
Do
Wazowski.
you have a caterpillar yet?
We do not.
No.
He's new.
Yes!
Yes. All right, and on to the next one. Mama, who is it?
I'm guessing Pinocchio with donkey ears. But
Okay.
I think I'm wrong.
All right.
Tomater.
Like toe mater, but without the toe.
Tomater, but
Yeah.
without the toe.
Okay, who is it,
He's not
Mom?
red either.
Oh no, this is. Oh, wait, why no? We have this one.
We got
I
Mater.
got it right.
Yay! So we got
Okay, wait,
Mater.
and this
And that is Honey Lemon. She is from Big Hero 6, and we do have Honey Lemon.
Honey lemon.
Yes.
Honey lemon.
All right, on to the next one. Tally ho. All right, Karyn, who do you have?
Lucky number 13, Flick.
Okay, Mom.
I'm gonna guess either Tweedledum or Tweedledee. Oh, completely wrong.
Is it General Shang? No, it's Mulan. Close. Okay, so that is Mulan as a princess. I don't know what series she's from. I'll have to find out. And Karyn, who did you have? You had Flick?
Weird. Are you sure?
Okay.
Mulan in a ballet?
Yes, let me see.
that is
She's, I
her.
believe, from series 10. Yes, she is. She is from series 10, and she is a common, and Flick is also a common. So on to the next two ladies. We are almost done. All right, Karyn, who do you think you have?
Vanilla Pia sweets, but I don't think so.
Okay, Mama, who do you think
I'm
you have?
just taking a guess and would love it if it's I'm Baby Moana. Goo Goo Gaga.
No,
The
it's
ocean
Coco.
Oh, that is Ernesto de la Cruz.
Yes.
And he is an ultra rare.
Ooh.
And Mama, Eva.
Eva.
And both of those are new to us. Eva is a rare. So woohoo!
Eva.
Good job, ladies. Got
got
two
this.
more. Let's go. All right, which one do you think it is, Mama?
It's a Minnie Mouse, and I'm going to guess Series 9.
All right, which Minnie Mouse?
Minnie Mouse for me, series 10.
All right, let's see
And
what
I
you
am
got.
completely wrong.
It's a Heffalump named Lumpy.
You're going Lumpy.
Yeah, so this is our second Lumpy. So guess what? Lumpy gets to go with you.
Lumpy goes,
Hi, honey.
She-
Welcome home.
she
Yeah.
loves-
Look at his eyes.
I know, Lumpy is really
Yeah.
cool.
Oh, Lumpy.
And who do you have, Karyn?
She's too excited about Lumpy.
Who cares?
Oh, she is.
I
Wait.
have
She have
Minnie.
Minnie Mouse
Oh,
70s.
in the 70s. Oh,
Yes.
Yeah, Flower Child.
Yes.
Flowers. Gotcha.
All right, ladies, we are on to our last two. So for everybody's reference, Lumpy is a rare and Minnie Mouse 70s is a common.
Yay!
All right, time to get this last two. Mama, who do you think?
Forky, what do you think?
I don't know. I'm changing mine. I think it's little Tiana.
Okay, all right, let's see who you ladies
That's what I
have.
was maybe thinking too, but I'm not sure.
It is.
You have Tiana. Oh, that's baby
Girl.
Princess Tiana.
Which one? Wait, which one?
So that is from Oliver and Company, I believe. That is
Yeah.
Francis from Oliver and Company.
Yeah, look at the
Oliver and
face.
Company was
Yes.
the first movie I took Dave to see up at the Whitehall Theater.
Oh, there we go.
you
A blast
believe
from the
that?
past.
Yeah.
Well, Francis is a rare and Princess Tiana is a common. And that is the end of our village peak. So let's show everybody all of the ones we have.
This is phenomenal.
Geppetto's adorable. Yes.
That is really cute.
What do you think, Fork?
I don't know. What? No.
No.
All right, ladies, anything to say to the fans?
This was a blast. Thank you for having me on your phone. Yes.
Mom, anything to say?
Bye.
Happy day.
Bye, everyone.
She was here too.